Well, got a taxi behind me, I hope. It's a white fella from Liverpool, and I thought you were going to Rist, and I said yes, this way. It's all speed bumps the other way. I'm sure he'll meet up with me. I told him Vine Mill, Ozzle Twizzle, that's what it's called, little retail park type of place. So, how much is it going to cost? I phoned up, said I'll be there by 12. So that was him. Hope I've not forgot anything. In my bag is my bag of studs if needed. I think some might be needed, but if they can find, well, if they have an easy way of getting your ones out, they might as well replace all 8. But I'm baffled as to how they bloody do it without drilling them. And if your ones are stainless, but like I said, there must be some kind of method. Exhaust gaskets, got 4 of them. I'm sure they would have supplied their own, they must have a vast array of them, but you never know if they're going to charge you earth, do you? And I've even brought me a tin of black paint. I'm going to say to him, while the radiator's off and after it's assembled, and if everything's okay, can you blast it with a good thick coat of high temperature paint, because it's probably never going to come off again, and it'll outlast the bike. Better not thinking about the big bill. Yesterday, spent £46 odd. Bandit Nev said that uneven wear on the pads, that triangular wear, might be snagging on the pin. I said, yeah, I brushed all the rust off it and it was as bumpy as hell. And he said, well, it'll be snagging on the pin and not pressing flat, you know, against the disc. It might not be the disc, it'll be that bloody pin all pitted. So pins were £6.25, and also them anti-rattle tin plate things were £9.50, and it were £3 something for them little dust cap things. Why they've got a slot on, I don't know. Why not have it a hex? You know, little stubby dust caps on that cover the bolts up. And the total with that price is without VAT. I got a bit of a shock, because 20% VAT on the bloody top, and then you charge £6.99 for postage, which is a bit much. I was just going to get the pins, and I thought £6.99 post. I think it's one of them standard posts for no matter what you order. It's from Doble Motorcycles, and they have a complete set of diagrams for every model you can think of on their website, which is very handy, with prices. So when I saw the pins and the little tin plates, I thought, oh, I'll get the plates as well, and the dust caps. Hopefully that'll prevent any more uneven wear, and also it might actually help with the binding on problem. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see if he's there before me. I thought you were going, I said, I know, I'm avoiding the speed humps on the main road near me. That's why I go on that shopping road, no speed humps on the shopping road. And you wanted to go via Clayton. I said, well, won't it be bumper to bumper at this time, dinner time? This is the quickest way, I think. There's actually another way via the road into Blackburn. Big bill. I think I'll ask her, I'll say if there's no problems with the studs, will it be 1 or 2 hours? And they're doing the tyre as well, of course. I'll estimate £300 all in, including the cost of the tyre. But like I said, I'd be no good on the backyard floor. I think I'd shear every bloody bolt off and be swearing and probably take a hammer to the bike. My mate at work said that. He said, bloody hell, something else gone wrong. I said, well, it's an old bike, isn't it? 14, 15 years old. He said, take it somewhere and set fire to it, claim on insurance. I said, I don't think I've not been tempted. Oh, last night I took the radiator grill off, and you see, put the old plastic one. The plastic one just clips on. Put the plastic one back on. Put tape over the wire ends, and I've also took the belly pan off. It's only 4 bolts. So when I get home, I'll give the belly pan a good clean, just filthy, and then get on with my little garden wall job. It's meant to be sunny tomorrow, but like I said, I'm not planning on going anywhere. And pointless day trips to Blackpool just for a couple of beers and a burger. Although it is sort of relaxing, but there was something on radio about the faffing about electrifying the line, and therefore there's a replacement bus service to Blackpool North, which means the Blackpool South train will be packed. A bit dodgy, weren't it? That huge wagon coming. Starting my holidays. No point being courteous all the time when there's traffic coming. So this burble will be the last time it's heard, if they sort it all out. What if he rings us up and says, all your studs are snapped off, it's knackered, might as well scrap the bike. Because the expense of drilling them out. No, I can't see that. Hopefully they know what they're doing. I wonder if that's a taxi ahead. No, I had a boot, because he put my exhaust in the boot. I used a clear plastic bag. They're clean, but I thought, well, I'll put them in a clear plastic bag off first, suit upstairs. I said there were new exhausts. I didn't bother explaining any cobblers to him. Hey, Hazel Twizzle Mills. I said to Paul, I said, what are you doing? I said, well, I was going to have a look round Hazel Twizzle after I've left the bike shop and not get a taxi. But there's nothing to see. He said, Hazel Twizzle Mills. I said, oh yeah, not been there for years. And you put a picture of your little lad feeding koi carp. We've got a load of carp in a big pond. It's a sort of retail outlet with all interesting things to see and do. Oswald Twizzle. Oswald Twizzle. Margaret? Margaret! Are you coming to Oswald Twizzle? Margaret? Put kettle on. John? I put kettle on, John. Do you want Thai food or do you want that stuff what monkeys drink? I love monkey tea. Have everyone cuppa. That's it, Vine Mill, it's that advert then. The finest furniture store in Lancashire, it said. Oh, is that bloody taxi? Well, if he's waiting there looking at his watch, I'll have to charge you £5 extra for waiting time. Yeah. Oh, charity shops. I like looking in charity shops. I got them heavy tankards on my mantelpiece, £2 each from a charity shop in my hometown. There's 3 or 4. More queues outside a bakery. I should become a baker, looks like it's a booming business. A booming business making bacon butties in a bakery. Yeah, I did think of going to this pub, Black Dog, and having a pint and then getting a taxi. Ooh. Suppose I better turn round and flash my lights. He's not here, is he? Yeah, I want to look here. Approved supplier of Michelin tires, Road Pilot 4. Is that it? Hello, you alright? Fine, thank you. Ian? Oh, I see, right. Oh. Hi, hi. These are me eBay exhaust, £30. I couldn't believe it. I was going to strap them to me like that, but I thought no, I'll be safer with a taxi, won't I? Right, I'll just drop them off, won't be long. Right, I'll knock the camera off. Right, well, continue tomorrow hopefully, or Wednesday. Bye for now.